Hi everyone, this is ZPJ. Today I'd like to make this solid state logic bus plus sound better. Now, how do I give this bad boy even more character to make the sound bigger, to give it more of a punch, a gentle punch? For that, I think I need let's see. To give more color to the SSL BUS Plus, we need a couple of Soyuz launchers, which have some nice transformers in them that give character and color. However, there is a problem because this transformer gives a 26 decibel boost. That is, the signal coming out of the Soyuz launcher is too hot. In fact, it's 26 decibels too hot. And SSL BUS Plus does not have an input trim. Therefore, we can run into sorts of distortion. So we have another option to consider, and I have something up my sleeve to do that. This bad boy just arrived from Amazon. This is what I need to cut the signal. To trim the signal. Let's open this and see what's in here. I got two of these. What are they? They are ta-da! Mic signal attenuators. They have 4 settings. Minus 10 decibel, minus 20 decibel, minus 30 decibel. Minus 30 decibels should go well with the 26 decibel boost. All right, let's open up and see. Here we are. This is what we need to trim the signal. This one. 2 of them, in fact. The Soyuz launchers provide nice coloration, but with a 26 decibel boost, therefore making the signal too hot running into other devices, we need this attenuator by Alctron. And it has a choice of minus 10, minus 20, minus 30 decibel output cut. That would make it ideal. So the 30 decibel output trim, output cut, would definitely get rid of the 26 decibel boost. In fact, it would provide a minus 4 decibel gain reduction, which could easily be offset in the SSL BUS Plus by increasing the volume, increasing the output there. One more issue here is that the Soyuz launcher is hungry for power. In fact, it needs phantom power. And to provide that phantom power, we need a phantom power unit, such as this one, the AKG N6 2E in this case. This is a nice unit for providing phantom power, and it basically just works well if you connect it to the BUS Plus, because the BUS Plus doesn't have phantom supply. It's not like a mic preamp or an audio interface that would have the phantom power supply. So you have to have that this extra unit to provide that phantom power, which the BUS Plus does not provide. All right, now we're ready to connect our Alctron Soyuz launcher and phantom power unit to the sidechain of the solid state logic. Now let's get the connections all ready. We'll have it connected in a way that works with the sidechain in and out of the BUS Plus. All right, well, keep glued to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell button and subscribe button. And I shall upload the next video on how this device performs in a real life setting, how it performs with the Soyuz engaged and without, with just simple compression. Now, if you need to know about the connectivity and how to connect the Soyuz to the BUS Plus, please follow the description below, and there shall be an explanation as to how to connect the devices together to make them operational in tandem. Thank you so much. ZPJ, over and out. Merry Christmas, everyone.